Okay, thank you guys for your time and your patience. Let me first apologize for the yesterday's break in transmission. It was due to the loss of audio, like I explained to you guys. So this is the video, the last part of the training where we're going to cover how you can transform your all interface, change the content, made the site unique. Let me show you some sample of sites that of websites of similar website that we have a sample like this. CG, uh, Now, all these sites that I'm opening was from different clients, and this was exactly the same thing, the same team and plugin that is being used to build these websites. You can see this is a website for a church. We have something similar to this is for another church. So the beauty of it is that when you have access to this thing, this is also another one, you can use it to build different type of website for different clients, like you check this. I've been building like take for example this. I'm not going to tell you the actual price that the client pay, but most of the website you see here, the price is higher than 50,000 naira. And this is all you can see. It's made up of page builder, and you can see divi team. I think let me take you back to the back end of this Blastsmith consultancy. You will realize that all what we have here is divi team. Then when you go to plugins here, you see that some plugin, the major plugins that actually do this what beaver builder. So this is just the same thing that you are going to have access to after this training. So this with this today's class, you'll be able to build any of these websites and be your client, collect money, and that's all you need. That's all you need. So let me progress by now. From this place, now we have installed our theme and plugin. But let's first start with pages now. Remember, I want to build just a 4 page website, which will be so you go to dashboard, you go to your pages, click on add new. You type home, use divi builder. Yes, always use divi builder, and when it pop up like this, just change what you have here to use a start from scratch. Then once you have the row and interface that looks like this, just click on the back button, leave the page, don't disturb yourself, just leave the page. Now go back to the page, create other pages as well. Oh, sorry, it's not it's supposed to be home. So you schedule and make sure the page is published. You will see it here. You can fill the page here. That's home. Now I'm going back to my dashboard. Now let me go to pages now. Sorry, pages. Go back to pages. So this is how you are going to create other pages. You're going to create about, use divi theme, schedule, start building, then back. So I want to appreciate everyone that has subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Yes, we have home, we have I'm sure we should have about now. We have home, we have about. Now add other pages, our services and contact us. So I don't want today's video to be too long so that you guys can implement that mentor you guys up or follow you up. Yes, you can use DV team. Always use this DV team. Use DV team. So when it pop up this interface, just use start from scratch. Uh, that's a kind of default. So let's go back to dashboard. Yes, discard this. You don't need it for now. We are still coming back to the to that side about us, our services. Then the last page, which is what our contact. Now, whenever you want to build a website, you need to write your content about us, our services, contact us. And if you are building for a company or a client as well, they will give you the content. There are situations whereby the client will ask you to discard. So that's all you need to do about page. Now go to settings. Then there's what we call reading. By default, you come down to reading. Now you change something from here, from your latest post. You want to set the home page. It's very important we set the home page to home. Here is very important. The reason is that when your page load, the first page that you want your visitor to see when they type your URL www.comfortdevelopers.com, for example, this is what you are going to set here. We always call it index page. That one is for probably programmer, people that write codes. So you have to, your first page, if you build a website with HTML, your first page must be what? Index page. So that's what's going to show this. We take away this and show this our index page. Now something happened here due to the fact of what happened yesterday. I'm having like two homes there. So you need to go back to your appearance and menu. Men looking at this, these are not in order. All these things are not in order. You can see home, about us, home, our services, sample page. You don't want to see all this. So all you need to do is come down here. Yes, it's showing some invalid menu because uh the former menu that was created, I was the one that removed it so that I can take the class session for you again. So we have our services, then we have contact us. So you need to start with you create the name. In my own case, I've created the name menu. You save it. Then you have to add some. Yes, you have to create something like this, and you go to all your menu. Click on home, about, our services. I'm not sure the fourth page. Okay, I have home, about, our services. Add it to my menu. Then there's what we call primary menu. Primary menu is the menu that shows at the top here. Where we have footer menu. Footer menu is the menu that shows at the footer. Then we have secondary menu. Secondary menu is probably sidebar, maybe right sidebar, or so you only want it to show on the primary menu and footer menu. So just save your changes. When you come down here and refresh, you realize that all other menus that is not related to the selected one there is gone. So and you can see that it shows on the footer menu now too. Now we are on the home page with this blue color, blue selected color. It shows that you're on the home page. So you can work on home page by using what we call page builder. Our page builder this time around is our beaver builder. Now you come down to the templates here. We have a lot of templates that